People are tired of listening about COVID, isn't it? Okay. The news is saturated about COVID. The good news is we have understood more about COVID today than we did, say, 6 months ago. இப்போ என்னெல்லாம் செய்ய முடியும்னு ஓரளவுக்கு நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கு. We know better. Going to be a long-term process and I think ECMO is part of the solution. அதாவது ECMOவும் ஒரு வகை ட்ரீட்மெண்ட். சில பேருக்கு அது டெஃபினட்டாக உபயோகமாக இருக்கும்.
இப்போ இங்கே வந்து நல்லா ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் எடுத்து இப்போ பேசக்கூடிய நிலைமைக்கு வந்திருக்கிறேன்.
Good afternoon, everybody. When he came, he was in almost what we measure the gases was almost he was hypoxic, breathing with great difficulty, and I remember his son was asking for, is it any possible to save my father with a transplant, lung transplant? I just said we'll continue what are the other further excellent strategies to improve his treatment, critical care, and we initiated him on the mechanical ventilator. At one point of time, all our strategies failed. So I have to look to my colleagues, is there anything can save him? That's what was the. Then our team members came with a solution that's, why not we try extracorporeal, going back the literature, a few cases in the abroad and few cases in the North India, they have successfully attempted saving a patient from this ARDS secondary to COVID. So we initiated after failing for this one. ECMO initiation is not at all, it was a little easier, but when we also faced a lot of challenges, faced the complications of these measures, this treatment plan, and we spent about 20 days on the ECMO for him. Once the ECMO, he was showing some fruitfulness of sustaining life, and when we see that his lungs were healing, then we switched over, then he had a lot of ups and downs. Infection, DIC, it's a psychological support, family members supported, every team member supported. There's a lot of stresses are being added. Everyone has contributed to this services. Still is recovering and he has done well successfully, and I'm very happy to say that this is one of the first in this part of the country to come out of successfully ECMO in COVID situation. The same situation yearly also, this technology has bridged, saving many people who were supposed to not respond to conventional treatment, H1N1 kind of people. This modality of treatment has saved, but at a price. So people not to leave hope, there is still possibilities, and these technologies with cutting edge technologies can still save lives. We need to be prepared, and it is a teamwork, each and every one have contributed for his survival. Now we are happy that he is in front of you and he will please say.
I think people are tired of listening about COVID, isn't it? Okay. The news is saturated about COVID. Problem is people are still dying, right? There's no escaping that. The numbers are still rising. The good news is we have understood more about COVID today than we did, say, 6 months ago. இப்போ என்னெல்லாம் செய்ய முடியும்னு ஓரளவுக்கு நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்கு. We know better. That doesn't mean we can save everybody. எல்லாரையும் காப்பாற்ற முடியும்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. பட் முன்ன விட இப்போ எவ்வளோ பரவாயில்ல. ஆனால் பிரச்சனை என்னென்னா எவ்வளோதான் நம்ம செஞ்சாலும் சில பேருக்கு பிரச்சனை தான். Whatever we do, in some people we get stuck. That's where we need a combination of various treatment plans to help the patient. We need நிறைய விஷயம் செஞ்சாகணும். ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு மாதிரி ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் தேவைப்படும். எல்லாருக்கும் லங் டிரான்ஸ்பிளான்ட்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்க முடியாது, இது சாத்தியம் இல்லை. இட்ஸ் நாட் பாசிபிள் டு டூ லங் டிரான்ஸ்பிளான்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் எவ்ரிபடி. We don't have enough lungs. It's just not possible. So obviously இப்போ நாங்கள் கோவிட்லேயே நாங்கள் என்ன வாட் ஹேவ் வி லேர்ன்ட், நிறையா பேருக்கு இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் வருது. இஃப் வி கிவ் தம் த டைம், கொஞ்சம் டைம் கொடுத்தோன்னா நிறைய பேருக்கு நல்ல இம்ப்ரூவ்மெண்ட் வருது. We have seen so many of our patients, போர்ச்சே they are still on oxygen. They come back 2 weeks later and they are walking around without oxygen. So improvement நிறைய வருது. ரெண்டாவது வந்து நம்ம when we look at the deaths, we are only capturing the deaths which are happening immediately after COVID. There are so many people like this who have lung damage and they are going to have horrible things happening later. So it's going to be a long-term process, and I think ECMO is part of the solution. அதாவது எக்மோவும் ஒரு வகை ட்ரீட்மெண்ட். சில பேருக்கு அது டெஃபினட்டாக உபயோகமாக இருக்கும்.
பழைய ஆஸ்பத்திரியிலேருந்து வரும்போது கொஞ்சம் கிரிட்டிக்கல் கண்டியில் தான் வந்தேன். இப்போ இங்கே வந்து நல்லா ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் எடுத்து இப்போ பேசக்கூடிய நிலைமைக்கு வந்திருக்கிறேன்.
The doctors and the team of nurses, எல்லாருமே வந்து they started to be supportive. They gave us a hope. They said that, okay, நம்ம first இந்த ventilatorலேருந்து let's start with. And then unfortunately ஒரு ventilator வந்து support பண்ண முடியல. So they had to take a decision of going for ECMO. And on the point வந்துட்டு we made a decision, okay, let's support him by going for ECMO. And after that, we let things with God and to the doctors and the team. And slowly, we kind of had some improvements. கொஞ்சம் initial stageல இருந்தது. Then we started having some hiccups. சொன்ன மாதிரி இந்த infections or the mental stress that dad went through for being in a prolonged ICU and stuff. But after everything, after 20 days of ECMO, they were successfully able to wean off ECMO from dad. And on the time la we were facing some struggles, but somehow the doctors were, with their expertise, they were able to do it. And adukappuram padipadiya the treatment started to work in a good pace, and we went back to ventilator to BiPAP and stuff. So Ippo he is getting better, and with a minimal support he is able to talk, and he is able to like show some improvements. And I'm very happy with the management side as well. They have motivated us, they have helped us with everything.